Okay, inverses. There's going to be quite a few inverse questions on there. Some of them are equations, some of them are calculations. Some of them are graphs, things along those lines, or tables. So you've got to be ready for inverses no matter what. All right, so generating the inverse. Remember, inverse is all about switching x and y. Okay? Or they reflect across the equation y equals x. Don't forget that little equation. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go x equals 1/3 y minus 5, and just solve for x. I'll subtract the 5, or add the 5, x plus 5 equals 1/3 y. And then, remember, fractions, top part multiplies, bottom part divides, so I'm going to multiply by 3. So, y equals 3x plus 15 equals y. Done. 18, pause the video, try it on your own. Pause the video, try it on your own. X equals 3/4 y plus 8. Subtract the 8. X minus 8 equals 3/4 y. Why did I write that like an X? It needs to be a y. Good ball. Again, top multiplies, bottom divides. So we're going to multiply by 4 and divide by 3. So that's 4x minus 4 times negative 8 is negative 32 divided by 3 equals y. Now, you may see the answer like this. You may also see it as two fractions. 4/3 x minus 32 over 3 equals y. This is the exact same thing as that. Alright, number 19. Keep on going. Switch x and y. X equals 4, parentheses, y minus 3 squared plus 5. Alright, so start from the outside, work in. We're going to subtract the 5. So x minus 5 equals 4, y minus 3 squared. The 4 is multiplying, so we'll divide by 4 to cancel that guy out. So x minus 5 over 4 equals y minus 3 squared. The next thing is that squared out there. To get rid of the squared, you square root to cancel that out. So I've got plus or minus the square root of x minus 5 over 4 equals y minus 3. Last thing to do, add the 3. So I've got 3 plus or minus x minus 5 over 4 equals y. Alright, again, I'm flying through this. But that's the process, one at a time, one at a time. You're probably better off watching these, like watch the video if you don't know what's going on, and then go try it yourself and see how you did. Watch the video, see what's going on, and then go try it yourself. So again, here we go. X equals negative 7 2y minus 5 squared plus 6. The only difference is this has a 2 in front of it, so that's x minus 6 equals negative, that's not a 6, 3, that's a serious 6. Equals negative 7 2y minus 5 squared. Divide by negative 7, so that's x minus 6 over negative 7 equals 2y minus 5 squared. Take a square root to get rid of the squared, so plus or minus x minus 6, nope, 6 over negative 7 equals 2y minus 5. Add the 5, so 5 plus or minus the square root of x minus 6 over negative 7 equals 2y. Then divide by the 2. So, to divide by the 2, remember you divide the entire thing by 2. So, last but not least, y equals 5 plus or minus the square root of x minus 6 over negative 7. All of that divided by 2. That's your final answer. And I guarantee you'll see one or two questions where you don't necessarily have to solve it, but you have to be able to recognize it at least what's going on. Okay? There we go.